for me, in working in the industrial environment, hazards are everywhere. Not a specific area we can say. We can say this thing that in which area during working, because in running plant hazards are different. But if we are talking about the maintenance of the machines, you saw the kiln, you saw raw mills. In the maintenance, when you are maintaining this area, its hazards are different. And if we are talking about the running plant, in our cement, most hazardous thing is height. Okay, falling from the height, it's most common thing which we are facing. And if we have a 71-meter height preheater tower, we have all other things which is above 2-meter height is hazard. Everything is above 2-meter height is considered as hazard. So we have to plan, we have to work on it to how to minimize the risk of falling from here. So I can say that main hazard is height here. Second, we can say it's burning. From where we can get this hurt if we are working near the kiln, near the preheater, because where the temperature is above 1000 degrees C. In preheater area, our temperature is above 700, 800, like this. It's possible it is more than this. But normally it is, if we are talking about cyclone 5, cyclone 4, temperature is around about 700, 800 of material. So anything, any leakage, any puffing, any thing coming out from this area and hit by any person, so burning issue is all the time. Burn is all the time hazard in the cement plant. So we have a mechanical hazards also. Mechanical hazards means if some stuck in the conveyor, crushed within the running machine, or it is all mechanical hazards. So we have mechanical hazards here in running plant. If we are talking about the maintenance, so in maintenance we have confined space maintenance sometimes. Confined space is the space where we have very narrow space where we have to work inside the mill. You see raw
dangerous.
Mill, yes. In the mill, raw mill, in cement mill, inside the raw mill or cement mill, inside the kiln. When stop working inside the kiln is termed as confined space, because we have a low area of work and there is more hazard in
no
confined
space.
area. Okay, in confined area we have lack of oxygen or excess of oxygen. It's in both they are dangerous. In lack of oxygen, definitely we are difficult to breathe, and high level of oxygen means burning can quickly. Okay. Yes, if it is above 21%, and in atmosphere 21%, if it is above 21%, 22, 23, 24 like this, it is dangerous. Because if we are working inside mill grinding or anything, welding job we are doing, so it is. And other hazard is welding. We have a lot of welding job, welding all over the plant. So in welding we have a lot of hazard, fire hazard, we have burning hazard, lot of hazards. So we have to make sure about that all our welding should be in safe way. So these how many we have 5 spinning? Okay. There's an example of these hazards. There's a lot of others. And other is 6. You can add 6 on is noise. Noise is a hazard.
For headphones.
Yes. In our raw mills, cement mills, in running. In running, noise is hazard. 6, 7 you can add is vibration. Vibration is also a hazard. So
the noise, how many decibels can it reach? If it the
level?
Noise, level of noise.
Actually, the standard of noise is 80.
80.
Above 80, it's not good for your ear. Below 80 is okay, but you cannot work for a long time even in 80.
So we have to.
Yes, we must. We should protect our ears. We have ear muff, we have ear plugs, we have lot of things here for our workers, and we are encouraging our people to wear it all around the plant, because we are not noise making only in raw mills. We have also in blowers, we have a big blowers, we have a big fan. Even in kiln area, you hear a lot of noise, air and burning and moving of machinery. Sound is everywhere. So we should protect our ears because for a long time it is dangerous. Okay, if I am working in 16 decibel, but I am working throughout 8 hours in my 10 years job in 65 decibel, it is not it's not good for my ears. So we should take care about even in level 60. Above 80 we must wear, but below 80 if we are working in big sound, we should care about it. Okay, why they are dangerous? Okay, every hazard has consequence. Okay, every hazard has a consequence. If we are talking about first hazard, falling, height is hazard. There is the two things, hazards and risk. We should know about, if we are talking about safety, we should know about the hazards and the risk. Hazard is a potential to harm. If the thing has some potential to harm, and this is a water, it can fell down, it is the potential, but it is placing here, so it is a hazard. If it fell down, it make wet the surface and anybody can slip. Means water on the ground is a hazard. Hazard cannot fully control or fully finish. We have to control it. We can control the risk. Risk, what is the risk? How often it can happen. This hazard, how often can kill somebody? It's high, it's low, or it's medium. And if water is there in this area, or if water in the gallery, this is a lot of people coming and out. But in this area, maybe Mr. Marwan come once in a day in this area. But in this area, everybody is. So we can say the same hazard, the risk of sleeping in the gallery is more as compared to the here. So it means the risk of we have to control in that area more before, and then we can control. The method of control is different then because the risk is high in that gallery. Okay, so method of control is different in this area. If we control more control here, then it's not good. So we should control there also. So in this industry, we check all our hazard accordingly. That its risk is high and hazard is high, so we have to control it immediately. If risk is low and hazard is high but risk is low, so we will go to in second stage, or our controlling is in second stage. In the control methods, how many control methods we have? We have elimination, first thing. If we saw any hazard, we have to eliminate it. If we saw the water on the ground, we have to clean it. This is the first and most secure thing. And you eliminate the risk. If water is not on the floor, means there is nothing, no accident will be done. So this is the first thing we should do. But in the industry, we cannot do. Okay, for water we can remove, but if we have to work on height, we have to work. We have to clean our cyclone. We have to do some job on our gearbox or anything else. So we have to do that. So other thing we can go for after elimination. Second thing is substitution. So we can for administrative control. Okay, administrative control. In administrative control, we can say we make. You see here, signboards. We have training by the providing the trainings, because hazard is there, risk is there, we cannot do anything. Okay, at least we make an safety administrative control, make procedures there, how to make the thing safe there. And other thing, engineering control. Okay, you see a lot of stairs here. We have handrails, we have a motors, we put some cover on it. We make some moving body of the machine, cover it. It is engineering control. Okay, administrative control, engineering control, and then finally housekeeping. We should maintain our housekeeping. Housekeeping can control many things. Most of the incidents happen then just due to poor housekeeping. And final thing is PPEs, personal protective equipment. Yes, this is the thing. This is last thing we have to rely on. this thing is because it relates.
This is personal.
It's a personal.
Hmm.
It is my overall. In PPE means personal protective equipment. For head, helmet, for ear muff, for hand gloves, uniform, dust mask, safety shoes, safety belts. These are PPEs. Okay, but we cannot rely 100%. Because it is personal. Okay, today I have no mood to wear this. Okay, I am not wearing this thing. So this is the last thing, but not least. We cannot rely overall on it. And if we put all your, I can explain here, no? First, elimination, huh? Second, substitution. Third, inherent control. Fourth, administrative control. Fifth, housekeeping. You can buy. So, and if you are working with mechanical equipment, so your hand can crush, or any part of your body can crush. So, whatever the hazard, we have some bad consequence on your body, on your environment also, on any other person or your machine. So we have to care about all these things for yourself, for other person, or your co-worker, for your machines, and for environment also. Okay. And third question: why they are dangerous machine in these areas? Are there any dangerous machine in these areas? Yes. If you are working in any industry, there is a dangerous thing. It is safety persons and the workers or supervisor which are working there. They have to make plan to make it safe. Machine itself is dangerous. Even in your home, you see grinder in a kitchen. If you see any like small this machine grinder, blender, you make juice or anything. All these things are dangerous. First of all, what the dangers you can face is electricity, because all powered by electricity, and 230 volt. And you know, after if you get shock from the even 100 watt is too much for you, but these are 230 volt. So you in your home, in your offices, in your college, schools, everywhere we have a dangerous machines. If it's a machines powered by electricity,
It's dangerous.
it is dangerous. In industry, we have a big power machines. We have a four. In home we have 230. Here we have 430. 430, 620. This kind of volt we have. We have a high voltage to run these big motors.
Comes from diesel or?
No, it's from FIVA. We are getting from the FIVA. We have our own power plant, but we stop at the
Emergency.
yes, it is just for emergency because this is very expensive as compared to FIVA. So we get from the FIVA. So we step up these 230 if they are providing 230 to 630 and 620 and 430 like this. So this is very dangerous, and electricity is all the time dangerous. So every plant has a machines, has a equipment, has the things which can kill anybody. So this is obvious. I don't know why who write these questions.
The teacher.
Are there dangerous machines in the home, in the office, everywhere? We have a dangerous machine. If you think about it.
It's everywhere.
Okay. Maybe next question they explain why they write this thing. What can we use to inform people of the dangers? This is very important thing. You need awareness of the hazards, awareness of the risk, awareness of the unsafe things in your workplace, in your home, in your office, in your college, school, everywhere. Awareness is very important. If we are, because okay, the thing I know this is full of acid, acid.
Yeah.
So I know this is the acid, but maybe my kid, small kid, he didn't know, so he maybe open and use it and burn himself. So awareness is must. So if first thing is the same thing why I put here, this should be in high place or any other place, not in reach of children. But if it is there, maybe I use oftenly, so I put it. So I I should go to my kid and to tell him, inform him that it is not good. I maybe want some demonstration. I put on one drop on something and it burns. So because when you saw the things, you can understand better.
Yeah.
So the way here in this question, the way of information, it is important. How you inform the people, up to their level or not. In the industry, okay. Okay, this is the things you can understand, huh? Okay, I will provide it. So how you for this purpose, for information, you should know the level of the people. Here I am engineer, manager. Okay, these can understand the things, but for lower grade, for labor who never understand what is this, so you have to come to in their level. So give the information, make some meetings, okay, some trainings, bring all people on the one room and make demonstration to them. Second thing, to go their area. If a worker is working inside the conveyor belt, so go his area and and inform him that this is the dangerous thing, this is electricity, this is the mechanical hazard, so careful about it. In own language, this is very important, not in English or not in Arabic, which you cannot understand.
So the workers, before they use these machines, they
should be aware.
yeah,
Yes,
they be
yes, must.
for limit time.
Must.
For example.
Yes, even if we induct new person in the company, maybe in future you will come here. So in the company there should be some procedure that a new person not come directly to the machine. It should be come to safety department. He will give the all detail, all hazards in the area, in the machine, particular machine or anything, and then he go to machine not to operate, only to check the thing.
Yeah.
Somebody who has experience with this machine should be with him,
He work with them.
and he worked with him for time being, 1 day, 2 days, as per requirement, and then he will give some signature that now he can do by self with the safe manner. Okay, if machine damage, okay, it's a 1 million loss, 2 million loss, it can be bearable. But if somebody injured even with his finger, it cannot return. So money is not a big issue. If you take good time to train your people, to educate these people, so on there are different kind of training, and on the in-house training, maybe you hire some expert from this machine who can get better information and deliver better information to the people, or on the spot. Toolbox training. We are in safety term. We are saying it's a toolbox training.
Yeah.
Okay, and you come to on the site and explain the things to others. Okay.
Okay, in the past, did someone of the workers have been cut his finger or
Here?
something? Yeah.
Yes. As all
This one,
this is.
it is
Yes, actually what happened when any accident happened, I'm not saying anything and hiding anything here. We have a lot of accidents here. Alhamdulillah, no fatality till, but some injured his head, some injured his feet. And then in this year, 5-6 accidents happened. So we are not saying, okay, accident happened, finish. It's my responsibility to take this accident, to meet all the people which involved, and make a report on it. And actual thing for accident report, the main concern about the cause of the accident. Okay, and from the cause of accident we can get the idea that what's going wrong here. That's why this accident was happening. So the cause of accident from the it is not you can say easy job, because most of the thing we were not at the spot. We asked which are involved in. So people have their own mentality. All the time they are saying if we inform the thing which is fact, maybe we will in trouble. That's why they are hiding the thing.
Yeah.
This is a culture issue, no? Because if there is not a good culture, safety culture, then people hiding the things. Maybe somebody blame us, maybe somebody ask police to come and catch me. That's why people have a fear for giving the correct information. Anyhow, we get from, because I'm not getting from one source, I get from 2, 3, 4, 5 sources, and then analyze the thing. Then actually an important thing to see the area where this happened, because something you can get from it out. And if something is broken and something is, they are saying that he is working on height and fell down. So I check the area where from here it's and there is handling, isn't it correct or not? It's broken or something else. So we get the cause, and from the cause we get the actions. That this is the cause of the accident. So we should make these recommendations. By following these recommendations, we can reduce the chance of reoccurrence of the same accident. The level of people you have been informed is important. So that said these things, so we can inform the hazards, the dangerous things in the area. What can we use to inform people? Okay, finish. What can we do as an individual in minimize the dangers?
PPE.
I don't understand what the exact meaning of this question, but the thing is he should know about the unsafe thing on the one thing. He should know how he know by the experience, by the communication with his supervisor, or by the communication with safety persons. So he should know the dangerous things which is related to this area, this machine, or this part. Okay.
And
how he minimize it? How he minimize it? By these ways. This is the thing. We can do we can minimize our dangerous thing: elimination, substitution, engineering control, administration control, housekeeping, PPs. By these 5, 6 things, we can minimize our dangerous conditions. Okay.
And
what can
the last question, I think you answered before.
Yes.
I think about
for management, if the management point of view, management must make some guideline. Okay. Management will make some guidelines. Okay. Guideline means they make safety policy. First of all, there should be a safety policy. Okay. Safety policy cover all the commitments which management can do. Okay. Secondly, they can make safety manuals. In safety manual, they can put everything. In safety manual, they should put everything which is committed by the management and how they will fulfill their commitment. It will cover in safety manuals that they have some plan, safety plan, they have safety inspection, they have safety audits, they have safety for working at height, they have a safety at work permit system. Work permit system, they have a procedure for work permit system. They have a procedure for firefighting, they have a procedure for emergency response, they have procedure for this and this. Management make these procedures. They have to, because they have in quality policy they commit that we will provide our workplace safe for everyone. To fulfill this commitment, they will follow others relating procedures and everything. So they can and trainings and safety inductions and providing PPEs and audits, everything is in after this. So, but management should commit first, make quality policy, and top management involvement is important. They will involve in each and every step of safety.